How's it, guys? What's happening? This is Craig, and I just want to show you how I am smashing it with the leads with MDC. All right. So I just want to invite you guys. This is more for my fellow network marketers. These are for my peers from my other MLM companies. Some of you guys are still stuck with the dirty dinosaurs. Guys, listen, man. You got to go with the flow. The world is changing, okay? The world changes fast, you know. You guys, some of you guys are stuck in companies that were started in 2008. They're not investing in themselves. They're not reinvesting in the company, in their systems. But they keep telling you to guess what? Quote unquote, invest in yourself. Well, I got a message for those guys. Guys, have a look at what this amazing company is doing. It's not only investing in us as their affiliates, but they actually show how they're investing in us by providing us with a powerful lead gen system, guys. Now, they don't do the lead generation for you. That's the part that you need to do, but they absolutely follow up those leads for you until they actually sign up. And I'm going to show you how powerful this company's lead generation system is. Not lead generation, their lead follow-up system, how they help you, how they support us as affiliates to close our leads easier, right? So these guys are definitely way ahead of the rest. They've grown by $70 billion just in last year, guys, or just in the last couple of months. I can't remember the exact stats, but it's either in the last couple of months or last year. But still, even if it was last year, they grew by $70 billion, guys. Think about it, right? Which other company in MLM has grown by such a huge amount, right? So this company is doing something right. It's got the best of the best, the cream of the crop. And if you know some of the names that I will drop, I don't want to drop them on this video that I'm making, but if I had to drop them, you'd know exactly who I'm talking about, and you can just message me and I'll tell you who are the cream of the crop that are in this business. And when I say cream of the crop, I mean the celebs of MLM are in this company, and those same MLM leaders, especially the guys from the States where MLM was born, will not touch some of those other dirty dinosaurs with a 50,000 meter stick. Okay, so why are you in it, right? Anyway, I'm not dropping names. I'm not trying to, bad mouth nobody. Some people will come back and say to me, I'm bad mouthing. I'm not bad mouthing. I'm just comparing. I'm comparing systems. I'm saying, listen, man, look at this system compared to this system. This system's Jurassic. This system is dated to 2008, and here we have a system 2020, and we're rocking it because 2020 is the year of plenty. And all I'm doing is saying, guys, look at this, and look where you're stuck in, right? You're stuck in there. You're not growing. You're not building. You're being terrorized by so-called leaders because you are testing different waters because they don't want to lose their team, and they're using all kinds of guerrilla tactics to cause fear. I mean, this is not what MLM is about, right? And so guys, you need to bring the fun back. You need to bring the money back. You need to bring the joy back into MLM by working with a company and that knows how to treat their affiliates and knows about systems. Okay, now guys, look at this, right? Look at this amazing, look at these amazing leads, guys. Look, I mean, I showed you from today. I mean, from let's just go back there a little bit. I just love looking at this. This is amazing. I'm doing this on autopilot, showing my team how to do it. Like since this whole day, today's the 17th, right? Let's just rocking them leads all on autopilot. This is from yesterday, rocking it the day before, rocking it as just rocking. All right, and I'm having fun again. I'm not under any pressure. I don't have to worry about this leader and that leader having a fit because I'm busy with this, that, and the other. This is my company now. This is where I'm stuck. I'm not looking left. I'm not looking right. I'm only looking straight, baby. I'm going up all the way, making that mad money. You can see now, guys, it's just leads pumping through, closing. The system closes for me now. This is my own personal account, but I just want to show you, like, this is an account that I set up underneath me that I haven't paid for yet, but I just wanted to understand how powerful the lead system is. Right now, let's say somebody has signed up over here. They become a lead of mine. Let's say it's this person, Keegan. Okay, now Keegan comes in and the company lets me know. It says, congratulations Craig, Keegan has taken the free tour, blah blah blah, and he has been positioned in your success line as a pre-enrollee. Okay, and it gives me all of Keegan's details. And not only that, now it starts to follow up Keegan. Now let's say this is Keegan's account. All right, this is his email account. You can see that Keegan, this system follows up. So let's say Keegan took the tour on the 11th, so he signed up on the 11th to take the tour. This company continues. You can see it's continued to follow him up all the way, right? It continues. It doesn't stop until he has joined. So it says it tells me it tells Keegan 5 people have joined you, right? So it shows them all the people that have joined Keegan, guys. Okay, and it tells it gives reasons why Keegan should join and why other people are joining this company. All right, and when they say done for you marketing system, they let me tell you, I 100% can confirm this is a done for you marketing system, guys. They pay out 85%. So Keegan, you can imagine Keegan, they pay out 85% compensation plan payout. Guys, my brain is going faster than my mouth can move. But anyway, this is amazing. And they give him the link and they say, listen, go back and register, man. Position yourself, pay. They keep urging him, they keep tipping him off. They say contact me. They tell Keegan to contact Craig, the $1 trillion man. Guess when? That's right, $1 trillion man, knocking the money out of the ballpark into my bank account. And yeah, they do amazing things. Okay, so now let's say Keegan doesn't move, he doesn't do anything yet. Then next thing you know, they say, Keegan, hey Keegan, wake up, what's happening? The buzz, check out the buzz in the industry. Average people are changing their lives, generating income in their spare time. And it updates Keegan and it says, Keegan, listen up, man, 13 people have now joined your team. Okay, from 5 to 13. And then it nudges him again, go ahead and get started and start building and making your. And then it continues, it says, hey, listen, someone just became a paid affiliate in your team. It says, hey Keegan, what's up? Someone just became someone just paid, someone in your company, in our company, just in your team actually just paid, and you've lost out on that commission. Go ahead and lock in your position and get started. We want to pay you, we want to give you money, right? And it keeps following up people, it keeps following them up. You could look at it. It shows Keegan the progress of his company, of his team. It's telling Keegan, listen, man, 5 people, your team is growing, your company's distribution is growing. 13 people have joined. 15, somebody has paid. 15 people have joined. Okay. It continues. Reminds him. It tells him again, hey, listen, Keegan, Temba has joined. Your team has grown by 42 guys. 42 people. Listen, is there any other company? This is the reason why I joined this company, right? This is the reason, guys, I joined this company. I joined it because of this powerful system that is nudging people. So this not only is Keegan getting all of these messages I'm showing you now, all of these follow-ups, every single one of these leads, okay, are getting these emails. And every time somebody joins their team, and people are joining because my leads are churning out. I'm generating leads like crazy. All right, so they're getting these messages all the time, and it shows them, listen, 45 people have joined. 45 people have joined your team. It reminds them Thursday is the last day. Get involved. Get started. It's showing them 38 more people. Your team has grown by 52 people. Okay, and continues to nudge them. So you imagine, from Keegan sees 5, then 13, and then now he starts seeing 52. So you can imagine, he's starting to get worried now. He's starting to get more and more interested. He's starting to get more and more curious. What is going on, people? All right, what's going on? Because my business seems to be growing without me even being there, right? And without me even doing anything. So I better go and do something. I better go and sign up and get this money. All right. So 52 people. There we go again. It keeps reminding them your team is growing. Now just imagine M is Keegan. And all of these people are getting all of these exact same messages, okay, which are real, because if they log into their back office, they will see all of these people that have joined, and some of them are paying, some of them are signing up, and this person, Keegan, is losing all the money. Now it shows him, listen, 73 people have joined your business. Okay, 73 people. Wow. All right, so look at that. This is incredible. Okay, this is absolute, and it doesn't stop, guys. It doesn't stop. It's all done for you, like it says, done for you marketing. It doesn't stop. Showing people, following up people. So let me encourage you, put away, get rid of these. I'm your white knight. Okay, I'm your white knight in shining armor. Okay, call me Sir $1 Trillion Man. Okay, and I've come to save you from these dirty dinosaurs and come to show you the light of this amazing company that's paying us out up to 85% and doing the following up for us. If you join under me and join my fast growing team, we've got an exciting team on WhatsApp. We're growing, we're buzzing, we're booming. All right, I will show you exactly how I am generating these leads, all legal, all great and targeted leads, real people, and within the company's policies, guys. Okay, so take a look and come and join us, and let's make this money together, and let's come and join a company that has been built by network marketing. That's the other thing I want to say in closing. All right, this company has been built by 7-figure earning $1 billion network marketing people. Okay, it's not being built by people that don't understand MLM. That's the problem with some of these dirty dinosaurs. All right, they don't understand MLM. They want to get involved in MLM. They want to expand their footprint around the world, and then somebody came along and said, hey, well, why don't you do MLM, because it's word of mouth. Why don't you use the MLM model? And a lot of them, some of them are scams and use the MLM model, and others are not scams, but they're just not well, they're not run, they don't have the vision, they don't have the understanding that a network marketer has, like how this business must be built, how their affiliates must be supported. Okay, they don't understand that. All they probably understand investment, or they understand commodities, or they understand cryptocurrency. They understand that, but they don't understand MLM. They don't understand how how to support their affiliates. All right, they are very stuck and very stuck in their ways. All right, and so they model their business idea or their offering on the MLM model without understanding the actual needs of their affiliates, right? So now you have these dirty dinosaurs, and they're all of these Jurassic, and I say this with respect, Jurassic leaders at the top, all right, that have been in this company for 10 years, and all they do is they go and milk people at the bottom. All right, they call them bottom feeders. All right, and they threaten their people about leaving this dirty dinosaur and going to a company that is progressive, that is using the power of technology, because they don't want to lose their income, right? Because they've been used to these fat chicks, and the more and more people leaving their teams, the more they lose their income, all right? Because the fact of the matter is, a lot of these older dirty dinosaur type MLM companies are not progressive. They haven't invested back in their platforms. They don't understand the changes that have happened in online marketing over the years, and they've become overwhelmed. They don't know what's going on, right? So this system builds for us, guys. It is in actual fact done for you marketing. All right, they got amazing products that people need. Okay, they've actually got a bigger customer base than they have affiliates. All right, and that is something a lot of MLM companies cannot claim. All right, a lot of them, especially some of the dirty dinosaurs that some of you guys are still stuck in. You're stuck in a rut. You're stuck in the 80s. Still driving a dirty Mercedes. They stuck. All right. And so this company has got more customers and return customers than they actually have affiliates, like much more, and that's a huge green flag, guys. It's a huge sign. This is a great company. So let me encourage you, get rid of those dirty dinosaurs, okay? Leave and come over to the light side, okay, to the money side. That's the right side, guys. So I hope you found this informative, entertaining, and I'll catch you on the other side of the money. Cheers.